going on, guys? The weather is somewhat nice out today, so we're gonna do a video. We got the pressure washer working. My brother and I, he's here with his Cummins. We're going to wash the underneath of it. We're gonna test out this pressure washer. He's actually running right now. We just got oil in it, put gas in it. Took about 5 pulls and the thing fired right up. It seems to be running great. So we're gonna go out there. We'll get some shots of us using it, and we'll give you our thoughts after we're done. So let's do this, guys. Cat! This pressure washer is working awesome. Like I said earlier, it took about 5, you guys hear in the background, sorry, he's washing that truck. But it took about 5-6 pulls to get the fuel and everything going through it. Fired right up. We've shut it off a handful of times just to check the oil and make sure everything's good. It fires up first pull. Washing pressure wise is absolutely great. It's wonderful. We're changing the nozzles. As you can see, we changed some nozzles. We're using the white nozzle on it now to do like painted vehicles. That's what it says in the instructions, and it seems to be working great. We use that red nozzle, which is like a pinpoint. That thing is insane. It's perfect for hitting like in between the concrete and the lines to clean the dirt out. Like that's what we use it for, and it works wonderful. So far, no issues whatsoever. The thing's idling fine. It ran fine. No weird noises on first startup. We let it warm up, shut it down, and check the oil, make sure everything's good. So far, guys, wonderful. So we're going to give this thing an A+ for today. We're going to use it on the house. We'll get some videos on the checking on the house and doing siding and stuff like that. Different things. We're going to use it all over the place. I'm going to probably use it in my shop too to clean the floors up and spray everything out. And we'll just see how it works. But right now, guys, out of the box, off the showroom floor, perfect. Absolutely love it. It's a 3200 PSI. It's got a Honda engine on it. It's a Simpson. I forget the part number. I can look it up. We'll get it on there. But awesome product. The only thing, okay, so far the only thing that I don't like is on the handle where it screws the high pressure line screws on to the gun handle. It doesn't have a pivot. It's when you tighten it, it's tight. It does not pivot. So that's the only thing. I understand you kind of have to have that when you're running that kind of pressure, but that's the only thing I don't like about it is that it's tight. You know, it's hard to get around some things because it doesn't pivot very much. The line kind of gets in the way. Other than that, guys, perfect. Love it. We're gonna get some more footage of Ryan cleaning his truck up, and hopefully we're gonna do a review video on that truck. Probably not today, but one of these days, since the weather is starting to get nice out, and I hope you guys enjoy that too. Oh yeah.
Right here, it goes all the way.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, it's cleans.
I don't know